What is going on, guys? I hope everybody's having a great week. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. If you've come across these videos, you like them, or this is your first time and you like talking about beard stuff and other things, cool. Hit that button and you'll know when this happens. On today's video, I am going to be talking about 3 bad habits that I've noticed in myself and in other beardsmen. And with that being said, let's just get started. It's just 3 of them. I know there's more, but I totally recognize these 3 in myself. So we're going to start from like the least worst to what I feel is the worst, okay? Coming in at number 3 is, I call this the backstroke, all right? And it's kind of like it's a thing. I do it. I do it when I hate to admit this, I do it when I'm talking to people or I'm in a meeting at work and I start doing this. I've had my boss actually stop and she has said, "Why do you keep messing with your beard?" And it's just something I do. I am a fidgeter. I just have to fidget. So the beard, it's there. And that's what happens. That's the only answer I have for it, guys. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, I fidget. Also, you know, you can come down to, I see guys do this a lot too. Really, not too bad for the beard. It's just more or less of kind of a social etiquette thing. You don't want to be playing too much with your beard. I think like doing this once or twice isn't a big deal. But I'm talking like I was doing this for a minute or 2, and that's why I got called out. So yeah, the stroking of the beard, yeah, kind of a bad habit. All right, coming in at number 2, and this one can be a little damaging, and that is tugging or even worse, twisting. And I got called out on a Instagram live that somebody said I was going to pull my beard off. I do tug on my beard. Again, it's a fidgeting thing. Sometimes if I'm anxious or slightly nervous, it's one of those things I do. Like I said, I'm also just a fidgeter, so that's what's going to happen. One thing I do to kind of help with that is I will try to at least pick a different area of my beard to do it. And like I said, guys, if you are a twister, if you twist your beard, keep in mind you might create a hole doing that. So you really just try not to do that at all. At least when I tug like a pretty decent section. All right, but it's still not a good thing. So again, it's something I have to learn to just stop doing. And for me, I'm just one of those, I have to just tell myself to stop. I don't really have anything alternative to help me with that. All right, guys, and then the number one bad habit that I have is chewing on my beard. Yeah, chewing on the beard. And I know I'm not the only one that does it. You can't tell now, I trimmed them off, but during No Shave November, my mustache got long, it was hanging in my mouth, and I would bring the hairs in and chew on them. And I also sometimes, depending on how long this gets here on the sides of my mustache, I will pull the sides in and just start chewing on them. Guys, what that does, that creates split ends on your beard. So instead of just that happening naturally, you know, you're enhancing the whole process of a split end. And on my beard, what that looks like, it looks like little white specks. And I got some pictures here. You can see how they're just, like, look at it. It's just, you can see little white flecks on the tips of my beard. You can even see a broken one in there. Yeah, it's not good. It doesn't look good. And it's just a bad habit. And you look, I mean, okay, not you, I look silly as hell when I'm doing it too. I've had people call me out. And they're like, "Chris, what are you doing? Are you eating your beard?" And I'm like, "Maybe." And then I try to make up some excuse like the beard oil tastes really good, but no. It smells good, doesn't taste good. It really doesn't taste like anything. Anyways, as far as the chewing goes, one thing I know that does help me is I will try to get, if I notice I've been doing it, I will get some gum and chew on the gum, and that usually kind of helps cancel that out. So, like I said, it's a fidgeter thing. I'm kind of a higher energy person at times, especially when I'm at work. And that's why a lot of these habits come out. You know, what habits do you guys have? What have you guys observed in other beardsmen? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions. All right? Hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a great week. Take care. All right, so this guy came in the room after I got done with my bad habits video. Do you like Dad's beard?
Yeah.
Does Daddy play with his beard too much sometimes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. They notice things.
Hey.
Keep that in mind, guys.
Yeah.
Keep it in mind.
How am I supposed to get that button?
What, that button? You mean this button?